Kiyosumi Seigin is a brand that infuses design with a distortion arising from both the precision of technology and the inherent randomness of manual craftsmanship and natural phenomena. A single continuous circle drawn by hand is transformed into a 3D model through an algorithm. This 3D model is then converted into machine movements and produced using our proprietary silver clay 3D printer. Because the shape of the clay fluctuates with each output, no two rings are identical. After the shaped ring is fired in an electric kiln for a while, it becomes a hard, pure silver ring. Finally, the ring's surface is polished while its size is adjusted to perfectly fit the finger,